my name is Miriam. Welcome to Ponce Tutors. We are going to be going over Chapter 7 of the EOC review. We are going to start with something simple. It's basically, we're going to solve the equation. A good thing to do to make it easier for you is drawing a line between the two so you don't confuse your work. And we're going to start with this side. Okay, so 4x minus 1 equals 0. We're going to add 1 on both sides. One is equal to 4x. Now we're going to divide the 4 on both sides. And your final product is x equals 1 over 4. Box that in. And we're done. Now we are going to work on the next side of the equation. Remember, it's a good idea to rewrite the problems. That way, you don't lose track of what you're doing. X minus 1 equals 0. We're going to add 1 on both sides. Plus 1 plus 1. So x equals positive 1. And those are your two solutions. So this one is a little more complex, but it's doable. Like I did before, we're going to draw a line separating the parts of the equation. That way you can keep track of what you're doing. Remember that. Okay, so draw a line here, draw a line here. All right, so we're going to start with this side. All right, so a negative 2x. So negative 2x equals 0. So you're going to divide negative 2 on both sides. But 0 divided by negative 2 is still 0, so x equals 0, right? And now we're going to continue to this side. So 3x minus 1 equals 0. We're going to add 1 on both sides. So plus 1 plus 1. This cancels out. And the 1, so it's 3x equals 1. Now you're going to divide by 3, and you're going to get x equals 1 over 3. And here is your second solution. Right. Now let's continue to the last part of this equation. So 4x plus 3 equals 0. You're going to subtract 3 on both sides. So minus 3 and minus 3. This cancels out and you get negative 3 here. And so 4x, bring this down, 4x equals negative 3. Now you're going to divide by 4 on both sides, right? And you end up getting x equals negative 3 over 4. And here, this is your third and final solution. So